Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF form. This is my PDF form. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this Prepare Form option. Select here. Now select Start. This field automatically detected to text field. Now see, check this preview and type here. Here you can type text and number. This field you can type text and number. Also this field. Now I'll add text field here. Now select edit option. Here we will find this text field option, check mark, radio button, list box, drop down menu box, OK button, image field, date field, signature field, and this is barcode. Now I'll draw text field here. Simply select text field icon and draw a text field. Now select right button for properties. Here you can change text field name. Also you can add tooltip. And from field visible, hidden. Also you can make sense. Also is visible. Also you can make this read only required. Now select appearance option. Here you can change border color, line thickness, choose medium, and fill color, choose white, line style, choose solid, and font size I'll choose auto, and text color I'll choose red, and also choose font style, times bold and italic, and now select option. Here you can align your text center, right, left, also center. You can add multi-line. Also you can limit text character. Now simply select close and select preview and type your text here. And see this. Center and text align. Now again select edit option. Now I'll do date field. Select here date field option. Do this date field. Now select right button for properties. Date field position center choose, and now select format option. This is date field format. Choose one of this. And same way you can change border color and text field name, date field name. Now select preview, type your date field, choose a date. Also you can type custom your date here. Now select address, edit option, text field. Same way you can add address here. Text field size. Also I add here number field. And select right button for properties and go format option and select here number. This will choose 0. Now select close and select preview and see this. Type your number. Only you can type your number. You cannot type your text or other option. Only you can type your number. Now I will do here check boxes. Now select checkbox option. Do here and do another checkbox here. I'll make this two checkbox same size and same align. Select your two checkbox and right button. Select here. Make same size both and also align. And align here. sorry, this is align bottom, and see this align already completed. Now select preview and see this, and same way you can change checkbox border color, checkbox name, required appearance and position, and checkbox color and option. Also here choose cross, diamond, square, this. Now select preview and see this. Also you can type here. Also you can, we will add here signature. Select edit. First let remove this. Delete. Now select signature icon. And do a signature box. Now select preview and click on this signature field. You have to create your signature ID, then you can add signature. Yeah. In this way you can make alt text box fillable and type text and change border color. Yeah. Now simply select close and select file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.